Are you looking for the best spoon carving knife? Here we will break down the top 7 best spoon carving knife on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. BeaverCraft Wood Carving Hook Knife. This knife's quality is astounding. The carbon steel blade typically arrives sharp and holds its edge like a champ, even when you're using it on harder woods. It also comes with an ergonomic handle, which feels good to use and will quickly wear your hand out. It's always nice when you get a tool you can use right out of the box. It'll be a good opportunity to learn, as all knives need sharpening eventually. Overall, this is the best hook knife on the market, and one you can get for a good price. At number 2. Morakniv Wood Carving Hook Knife. More knives are an automatic staple among wood carving tools. They arrive sharp, work well, last long. This brand actually has not just 2 hook knives but 3 different kinds, with little differentiating details between them I might add, so it all boils down to preference. The 164 seems to be a popular favorite and is oftentimes used in wood carving workshops. It has an internal radius of 0.5 inches, which makes it great for carving any size wooden spoon. It is a single-edged steel blade, which some of you might shrug at and keep reading, or you might rule this option out completely. This carving style would have to be performed in your left hand. At number 3. Morakniv Wood Carving Hook Knife. Morakniv Wood Carving Hook Knife 164 is a high-quality, wonderful knife. The aesthetic and look of this knife are truly elegant. This is a single-edged hook knife. With a blade made from stainless steel, this knife from Morakniv is scarily sharp. Carving with this knife won't even break your sweat. This knife passes the durability test with flying colors. Even under intense use, we found that the edge of this blade held up pretty well. The build quality of this knife is top-notch. The module doesn't suffer from corrosion either due to the stainless steel. At number 4. Wood Carving Tools Set Wacom Hook Carving Knife. This toolkit for beginners features 4 different tools to make all your woodworking dreams come true. It has a hook knife which is designed specifically for carving round edges of any kind, including cups, bowls, and kuksu carvings. Other tools in this kit include a sloyd knife for whittling and roughing out the wood, a detailed knife for delicate wood cutting, creating small details and perfecting your work. Each of these tools, including the hook knife, featured a handle that is made of hardwood, and a blade which is made of premium carbon steel. The hook knife is sharpened on only one side, and it is suitable for use by right-handed people. If you prefer using the push-cut style for creating a spoon carved in the wood, this is a perfect tool for you, because it allows you to use the blunt side of the blade as a stabilizer. This kit also comes with a sharpening stone, which you can use for keeping your knives in razor-sharp shape. The company also offers a 60-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the product. At number 5. DUGATO Wood Carving Tools Set. It is tool set for beginners. The tool comes with a sharpening leather strap and tool pouch for storage. It comes with a set of tools that will enhance the performance of the knife. Additionally, it features a premium quality wood as a handle. It features hardwood oak that is long-lasting and offers a great feeling on the hands when working with the hook knife. The top also features stainless steel, which is an excellent edge performance. It also can resist corrosion, thus making the knife to last long. DUGATO is useful in sharpening and hollowing of spoons, bowls, kuksus, cups among others that come with round edges. It is easy to use the type of tool as it blades easily from its first day of purchase. At number 6. Flexcut Pocket Jack. Flexcut Carving Knife is a pocket knife featuring a multi-tool design and the highest price tag in this list. It is a smaller version of the original carving jack. 4 blades tend to fulfill the diverse needs of woodcarvers and woodworkers alike. These blades are 1 to 5 by 8 inch long detail knife, 1 to 7 by 8 inch long straight gouge, 1 inch long V-scorp, and 1 to 1 by 16 inch long scorp. With a weight of just 3 ounces and a closed length of 4.25 inches, it hardly gives a feel of its presence when kept in a pocket. It is comparatively light. At number 7. BeaverCraft S14 Wood Carving Tools Kit. The BeaverCraft Wood Carving Hook Knife comes with the same premium quality at an affordable price. This hook knife features a sharp corrosion-resistant carbon steel blade and can be used right after unboxing it. The knife's ability to hold its edge makes it popular for carving smooth and consistent cuts into harder woods. Its handle is made of oak, and the flat features on its side are designed to give you more control and enhance its ergonomics. This is further fastened with a copper ferrule that firmly holds the hook in place, preventing it from wearing down. The BeaverCraft Wood Carving Hook Knife is versatile and can be used for spoon carving, chip carving, carving bowls, letter carving, and more. Overall, this durable, ergonomic, and versatile option offers premium quality at a price that won't necessarily cost you a fortune.